Hello fellow wanderers, I hope you are all doing well. Today I'll be sharing this friendly and artistic gem within the San Francisco Bay Area. It is friendly because of all the cute fur, four-legged friends running around, and artistic because of all the art pieces created by random materials known as garbage. This is Albany Bulb, usually referred to as the bulb by locals. On the map, it looks like it's its own little island attached by a sliver of land, giving this place a feel of isolation apart from the city. So let's begin our journey and learn how Albany was created. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are on our way to Albany Bulb. Not a lot of people know about this place except for locals, but even those that live in the Bay Area have never heard of this place before, so this is truly a hidden gem. So I am here with my friend Bria. She needs to cut lanes, so she can't really say hi right now. Hey y'all! So fun fact about Albany Bulb is that it used to be a landfill. For decades, Albany Bulb was a construction dump site. It was the construction debris that added to the creation of the bulb, and slowly it destroyed the natural habitat of the area. In 1984, the dumping was finally shut down and the bulb just sat there. Then, slowly it started coming back to life. Nature started doing its thing by growing things like new flowers, grass, and trees. And then the humans came back too. For a time, the bulb was a sort of a no man's land, a spot where the lawless roamed. The homeless called it their home, and teenagers that didn't want to be seen used it as a party spot. Today, you won't be finding these crowds at Albany anymore, or at least not during the daytime. So I've wanted to come to this place for about 2 to 3 years ever since I discovered it. So we're finally taking the long drive and I can't wait to see it. Alright guys, we lucked out on parking. Look how packed it is. Yes. So the first group we ran into are the pups and their owners. So Albany Bulb is a popular spot for dog owners to bring their loved pooches. In fact, Albany Beach should be renamed Dog Beach because look at how much fun they are having. And it's really just dominated by dogs. These pups are definitely one of my highlights on this trip. Who doesn't want to be around these friendly, loving animals? Look at that cute nose. So we're walking along the trail right now, and it's literally every piece of concrete or some unnatural object that's not part of the wetlands here. There's some artistic drawing on it or some really pretty colorful like objects made from it, so it's really nice walking through here. We also seen a lot of political messages, something that looked like satanic rituals. It was just weird. We were kind of iffy about going near it because it had a mirror, like a literal trail that ran straight to a mirror, and according to Bria, mirrors are a portal to what? What is spirit world. Oh, the spirit world. So yeah, there was something like that. So we're getting off the trail right now because we saw something, and looking up close, it kind of looks creepy because it reminds me of this game called The Forest. If you guys know what that is, then yeah, you would understand, but check it out. So to me, this looks like a campsite that has been invaded and all of the people got captured. And yeah, if you guys played the game The Forest, you would know that that game is full of cannibals. Okay, I really like this one because they painted some breakfast on it and it says, "What's shaking?" Look guys, we found the labyrinth. There is a rumor that there might be more than one, so let's just say we found our first labyrinth. Creepy thing number 3. This place is bizarrely interesting, you guys. From the first labyrinth, we found a trail that led straight to the bay. I do have a small confession. I did go online to see what kind of art sculptures to expect at the bulb, and I had quite a few pieces that I just had to find. Alright guys, so we made it to the end of the bulb, or near the end. We still have a little bit more stretch of land to walk on, but this is where like the bigger, more elaborate sculptures are found, so I cannot wait to see them, especially the driftwood ones. I saw pictures of those sculptures, the driftwood ones, and they look amazing, so hopefully those are still around. And there's something called like the cement TV and the dragon, and also some like Mad Max castle kind of thing, so I hope I get to see at least like 2 or 3. Okay, let's be honest, I want to see all of them, but 1 or 2 would be nice. So it seems like someone lives in here already. So we're all the way at the end now, and it's so peaceful out here, you guys. And I love all these green moss and barnacles on the rocks. Look at that. You can't beat that view. There it is, one of the majestic canines. Look, there's a hand coming out of it.
Oh gosh.
And look, artists! I wonder what they're going to create. We finally came to the shore where you will find many marvelous figures. One of the most photographed figures is this woman in a dress with outstretched arms. My favorite happens to be this knight-looking figure, as well as the famous dragon. Oh, there's the dragon. Mm-hmm. Artists hard at work. I found Kakashi, you guys.
Creepy.
Very creepy. We then found a nice spot to sit with a fantastic view to eat our snacks. So this entire path here is made out of concrete slabs. So it's going to be an interesting walkthrough. Oh, it's moving. They're not stable slabs. Guys, this is so cool. Look at this. This entire little pathway is created by these giant slabs of concrete. I love how colorful it is, and you get an amazing view of the bay. We survived all the creepy things, and look where the trail eventually led us. I think I know where all the spray cans ended up, in the castle. So this used to be an entire enclosed structure, but you can see it's a bit run down now. So there's stairs to get to the second floor here. Welcome to the second floor. Look, there's a toaster on the second floor. So there's a second room to the castle, and then they have this personal, private little balcony to see a beautiful view of the bay.